Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you about ladybugs. Means you've all seen ladybugs in your life. Some are small, some are a little bigger. They're just this much. But have you wondered how to describe a ladybug? But here are the parts that describe how long they can live, how much they can eat in their life, and their life cycle. So today I will tell you all of that. The most common ladybug is red in color and is called the seven-spotted ladybug. Well, it's obvious why it's called that, because it has 7 black spots. What are ladybugs? You can say ladybugs are actually not bugs. They are more of beetles, because beetles also have the wings. But what do you call the wings? The wings on the back of them are mostly called elytras. E-L-Y-T-R-A, elytra. Another important part of the ladybug is the pronotum. What is a pronotum? It actually shields the head and the neck. Means when you see a ladybug, actually the head is actually a circle, but half of the pronotum will cover the head just a little bit. So that's why it appears to be like a little bit of a crescent. Wait, but you might ask, where do all these ladybugs and stuff live? Well, they normally live in different habitats, including fields, on trees, shrubby lands means the bushy ones, gardens, and even in some houses. But normally, why do they live in these specific places? Because in these places, small insects are here. We don't see them, but the ladybugs can. They eat those ladybugs, and guess how many they can eat over their lifetime? If you said 5,000, that's correct. They can eat over 5,000 in 1 or 2 years. It only takes between 1, 2, or 3 years for them to be over and then restart the life cycle. But what is the life cycle? Well, it's just like a butterfly, but instead of evolving into a butterfly, it just turns into a little ball. Now, this is how the life cycle of a ladybug is. First, the mom or the female ladybug, which actually ladybugs can be a male also, even though their name, when they lay 5 to 30 eggs, those eggs take like 3 to 4 days to hatch. Then what do they become? They can become larvae. Actually, some larvae are much bigger, like one of the rare ones that I have for another video, the steel blue ladybug. This is how much the adults, and this is how much the larvae, because they're just a circle. Next one is the pupa. The pupa are like the butterflies, but instead of being high in the air, they are normally on leaves and stuff. In the pupa, they are exactly like the butterfly, just crawled up in a small space, and after 3 to 4 days, they grow into a ladybug. Then the life cycle happens again and again and again and again. And do you know how dangerous were the female ladybugs lay their eggs? Normally they lay it on the undersides of leaves, which is actually a little crazy because it's full, and if it's too high or stuff, they might fall and they can't make the life cycle again. But the eggs can't stick to the leaf because they're a small oily-like thing. It sticks them to the underside of a leaf, so they don't fall, and before they even hatch, they just fall to the ground and finish. Now I'm gonna answer one question. Why are the ladybugs red, orange, yellow, every color? Why are they? Means this. They say this. Oh, predators, do not eat me, as I taste very bad and stuff. But actually, this is actually correct, because one of they're in their legs, there is a small oily liquid thing that tastes very, very bad. And whenever the predators eat them, well, they get the worst taste ever. But some ladybugs are actually poisonous, so nothing can eat them. Just touching them, not poisonous, but eating them, completely poisoned. And the ladybug was actually first seen in Germany, and in Germany, ladybugs were, in that time, they were as a symbol of peace. But you must ask, why were they a symbol of peace? Because, well, there were a lot of insects, small insects. They were eating all the crops, vegetables and stuff. So then the kingdom was starving. But when the farmers found little tiny bugs, which are now known as the ladybugs, and their princess was named something lady, but the ladybug was named after the princess that was there, because the thing was like the princess. It helped the country. And after that, the ladybugs have been so helpful. They help us avoid, and they eat up the mice and stuff, which eat up the crops, and they are very helpful. So this is all some facts about ladybugs. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!